Do you love traveling but hate the hassle, discomfort, or stress that comes with it? Do you wish you could travel more comfortably and enjoyably without breaking the bank or compromising your safety? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Mario, and welcome to The Global Adventures, the channel where we share our passion for exploring the world and discovering new cultures. In this video, we're going to show you 5 expert tips and tricks that will make your travel experience more comfortable, convenient, and fun. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, solo or with a group, these tips and tricks will help you pack smarter, dress better, stay healthier, and enjoy the journey more. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to travel like a pro. Tip 1. Choose the right luggage. The first tip is to choose the right luggage for your trip. The size, weight, and type of luggage can make a huge difference in your comfort and convenience while traveling. You don't want to lug around a heavy suitcase that takes up too much space or a flimsy backpack that falls apart halfway through your trip. You want to find a luggage that is durable, spacious, and easy to carry. There are different kinds of luggage that suit different travel scenarios. For example, if you're traveling by plane, you might want to consider a carry-on suitcase that fits the airline's size and weight restrictions. This way, you can avoid paying extra fees or waiting in long lines to check in or claim your baggage. A carry-on suitcase should also have wheels and a handle that make it easy to maneuver through airports and other crowded places. If you're traveling by train, bus, or car, you might want to consider a backpack that is comfortable to wear and has multiple compartments. A backpack should also have straps and buckles that secure it to your body and prevent it from bouncing around or slipping off. A backpack should also be water-resistant and have zippers that can be locked in extra security. Some examples of luggage brands or models that are suitable for different travel scenarios are Away. Away is a popular luggage brand that offers high-quality suitcases that are designed to fit most airlines' carry-on requirements. Away suitcases are made of durable polycarbonate material that can withstand scratches and dents. They also have 4 360-degree spinner wheels that glide smoothly on any surface. They also have an ejectable battery that can charge your phone or other devices on the go. Osprey. Osprey is a reputable backpack brand that offers versatile backpacks that are ideal for long-term travel. Osprey backpacks are made of lightweight nylon fabric that is resistant to tears and abrasions. They also have ergonomic shoulder straps and hip belts that distribute the weight evenly and reduce fatigue. They also have multiple pockets and compartments that keep your belongings organized and accessible. Samsonite. Samsonite is a classic luggage brand that offers reliable suitcases that are suitable for short-term travel. Samsonite suitcases are made of hard shell or soft shell material that can protect your belongings from impact or moisture. They also have 2 or 4 wheels that can roll upright or sideways depending on your preference. They also have TSA-approved locks that ensure your security and peace of mind. Tip 2. Pack smartly. The second tip is to pack smartly for your trip. Packing smartly means packing efficiently and effectively to avoid overpacking or forgetting essential items. You don't want to end up with a luggage that is too heavy or too empty for your trip. You want to pack just enough items that you need and use for your trip. There are different packing techniques that can help you pack smartly for your trip. For example, one packing technique is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling your clothes can save space in your luggage and prevent wrinkles in your clothes. Another packing technique is to use packing cubes or bags that can compress your clothes and separate them by category. Packing cubes or bags can also make it easier to find what you need in your luggage without making a mess. Some examples of items that are useful for comfortable travel are travel pillow. A travel pillow is a must-have item for any traveler who wants to sleep comfortably on planes, trains, buses, or cars. A travel pillow can support your neck and head and prevent stiffness or soreness. There are different types of travel pillows, such as inflatable ones, memory foam ones, or microbead ones. You can choose the one that suits your preference and comfort level. Earplugs. Earplugs are another essential item for any traveler who wants to block out unwanted noise and enjoy some peace and quiet. Earplugs can help you sleep better, relax more, and focus better on your trip. There are different kinds of earplugs, such as foam ones, silicone ones, or wax ones. You can choose the one that fits your ear size and shape and offers the best noise reduction. Eye mask. An eye mask is another important item for any traveler who wants to avoid light and create a dark environment for sleeping. An eye mask can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed on your trip. There are different types of eye masks, such as silk ones, cotton ones, or gel ones. You can choose the one that feels soft and comfortable on your skin and blocks out the lightest. Tip 3. Dress comfortably. The third tip is to dress comfortably for your trip. Dressing comfortably means choosing the right clothing and accessories that suit the climate, culture, and activities of your destination. You don't want to wear clothes that are too hot or too cold, too tight or too loose, too flashy or too dull for your trip. You want to wear clothes that are breathable, durable, and easy to wash. There are different kinds of clothing and accessories that can help you dress comfortably for your trip. For example, one kind of clothing that is comfortable and versatile is a layering system. A layering system consists of 3 layers: a base layer that wicks away moisture from your skin, a mid-layer that insulates you from the cold or heat, and an outer layer that protects you from the wind or rain. A layering system can help you adapt to different temperatures and weather conditions by adding or removing layers as needed. Another kind of clothing that is comfortable and versatile is a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe consists of a few pieces of clothing that can be mixed and matched for different occasions. A capsule wardrobe can help you save space in your luggage and create multiple outfits with minimal effort. Some examples of clothing and accessories that are suitable for different travel scenarios are merino wool. Merino wool is a natural fabric that is ideal for travel because it is breathable, odor-resistant, and temperature-regulating. Merino wool can keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It can also absorb moisture without feeling wet or smelling bad. Merino wool can be found in various clothing items such as socks, underwear, shirts, or sweaters. Scarf. A scarf is a versatile accessory that can add style and functionality to your outfit. A scarf can keep you warm in the cold, protect you from the sun and the heat, or cover you up in conservative cultures. A scarf can also be used as a blanket, a pillow, a towel, or a bag. A scarf can be found in various colors, patterns, and materials such as silk, cotton, or wool. Sneakers. Sneakers are a comfortable and practical footwear choice for travel because they are easy to wear and walk in. Sneakers can also match with almost any outfit and occasion, whether casual or formal. Sneakers can be found in various styles, sizes, and colors, such as white, black, or colorful. Tip 4. Stay hydrated and healthy. The fourth tip is to stay hydrated and healthy on your trip. Staying hydrated and healthy means preventing dehydration, jet lag, or sickness while traveling. You don't want to suffer from headaches, fatigue, or nausea on your trip. You want to feel energetic, alert, and happy on your trip. There are different kinds of snacks, drinks, or supplements that can help you stay hydrated and healthy on your trip. For example, water. Water is the most essential drink for any traveler because it keeps you hydrated and flushes out toxins from your body. Water can also help you prevent constipation, kidney stones, or urinary tract infections. You should drink at least 2 liters of water per day on your trip. You should also avoid drinking tap water or ice cubes in countries where the water quality is questionable. You should either boil the water before drinking it or use a water filter or purifier. Nuts. Nuts are a great snack for any traveler because they are rich in protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Nuts can also help you curb your appetite and boost your energy levels. You should eat a handful of nuts per day on your trip. You should also avoid eating salted or roasted nuts that contain added sodium or oil. You should opt for raw or unsalted nuts instead. Melatonin. Melatonin is a natural hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. Melatonin can also help you prevent jet lag by adjusting your body clock to the new time zone. You can take melatonin supplements before or after your flight to help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed on your trip. You should consult your doctor before taking melatonin supplements and follow the dosage and timing instructions carefully. Tip 5. Enjoy the journey. The fifth and final tip is to enjoy the journey on your trip. enjoy the journey means making the most of the travel experience and having fun along the way. You don't want to miss out on the opportunities, adventures, or memories that await you on your trip. You want to embrace the challenges, surprises, and joys that come with traveling. There are different kinds of activities, attractions, or experiences that can help you enjoy the journey on your trip. For example, local food. Local food is one of the best ways to experience the culture and flavor of your destination. Local food can also introduce you to new ingredients, dishes, or cuisines that you might not find elsewhere. You should try to eat local food as much as possible on your trip. You should also be adventurous and try new things that you might not normally eat. You might discover a new favorite food or a new appreciation for a different culture. Landmarks. Landmarks are another great way to experience the history and beauty of your destination. Landmarks can also give you a sense of awe and wonder that can inspire you to learn more about the place or the people. You should try to visit landmarks as much as possible on your trip. You should also be respectful and follow the rules and etiquette of the place. You might witness a stunning view or a fascinating story that can enrich your travel adventure. People. People are another great way to experience the diversity and hospitality of your destination. People can also give you a sense of connection and friendship that can make you feel welcome and comfortable. You should try to interact with people as much as possible on your trip. You should also be friendly and curious and ask questions or share stories. You might meet a new friend or a helpful guide that can make your travel experience more enjoyable. Some examples of apps or resources that can help you plan, navigate, or discover new places are Google Maps. Google Maps is a useful app that can help you find directions, distances, or locations on your trip. Google Maps can also help you explore nearby places, such as restaurants, shops, or attractions. You can use Google Maps offline by downloading maps of your destination before your trip. TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor is a helpful app that can help you find reviews, ratings, or recommendations on your trip. TripAdvisor can also help you book hotels, flights, or tours on your trip. You can use TripAdvisor to compare prices, quality, or availability of various options on your trip. Duolingo. Duolingo is a fun app that can help you learn languages on your trip. Duolingo can also help you practice speaking, listening, reading, or writing skills on your trip. You can use Duolingo to learn basic phrases, words, or grammar of the language of your destination before or during your trip. So these are our 5 expert tips and tricks for comfortable travel. We hope you found them useful and informative. We also hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what your tips and tricks for comfortable travel or what topics you would like us to cover in our future videos. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. We post new videos every week about travel tips, destinations, cultures, and more. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!